What's up, guys? I'm about to install my Rocket Bunny kit on my 91 Nissan 240.
Alright, you guys, this is part 2, working on the Rocket Bunny. And today, we are gonna drill holes. Alright, here we go, you guys.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
This type of material. This is metal, made for metal, but this is all I have, so this is what I'm using.
Alright, you guys, this is the fender that we are doing now. Rear fender. And we're gonna test it out how we want it.
The sucks, guys, is that this piece right here is in my way that does not let this go all the way in. I've heard rumors that people will hammer this in, or they will cut this part out and stitch it back up. I've asked several people to help me out with it, and there's only one guy that actually did help me. Well, actually two guys, and I don't remember their Instagram name, but I really appreciate the information that they gave me. They told me, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it out. Some guy said that he didn't even cut it out, so I don't understand. Did he like really just push it in there, just like that? Yeah, I guess so. That's another way that it'll work. Just force it in there. But I mean, if you can see this shit looks ugly. So I'm gonna be definitely cutting that out.
We're about to put a hole in the actual fender.
We're gonna dent the fender in.
We're gonna dent it.
Let me get this out of the way. And line it up.
Oh my god. I'm getting nervous.
I'm nervous. Oh my god, we gotta do this right.
about to try the rivet gun. And that's how you use a rivet gun, ladies and gentlemen.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
And there you go, you guys. Now we need to put more holes on the back fender. But everything's good.
Yep, everything's good.
Everything's all lined up. So now we just need to make holes. More holes.
Man, I can't believe I just drew a hole to my fender. Okay. Alright. I guess it's finish up with the holes.
Finish making all the holes for the back fender.
Now we gotta cut this part out so I can fish.
Yeah, and then we have to start cutting.
Put these bad boys there.
Yeah, after when we're done making our holes and everything, then we start cutting the back fender.
Yeah.
Cause we already cut the front ones, and my brother stepped ahead of me because I was working. But yeah.
I gotta figure